Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Investment, investment, investment. Sometimes all it takes is the right mix to turn some properties into an instant success. 278 Tripoli, located in one of the sought after areas in Jamaica on the north coast, has a check mark for location. Runaway Bay, with a private white sand beach and gorgeous views of the ocean, is checking another box. Countless attractions and recreation spots, check. Great security in place, check. A comfortable distance to all three airports, check. Community and the surrounding covers all major amenities, check. The property boasts an approximately half-acre lot with a breathtaking view, check. This kind of availability for the right find is becoming quite out of reach. Yes, there is work to be done to make it complete. However, the returns will make you smile as you see the portfolio grow from strength to strength. If you feel like you can't go at it alone, why not form an investment group with a few like-minded associates or colleagues? Jamaica is still very much in demand for business despite the naysayers. The amenities on the property are endless. Please give your agent a call to find out about the property, which is about 90% complete. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.